Ashton.
And Grayson.
Hey, it's Macy.
And we're going to teach you the NEWSIES audition choreography.
We are doing it to Brooklyn's Here.
Yay. Okay, we're just going to do it. We're going to do it
Fast.
one time all the way through so you get to see what it's going to look like. And then we're going to break it down slowly for you to learn it. So don't be intimidated. It's going to be fun. Just, yeah. So obviously that didn't have words, but we're going to teach it to you with the lyrics. So it probably helps if you know the music. So yeah, we just think it'll be easier for you to learn it with the words. That way you're not having to think of the counts in your head. And when the music's playing, you'll know which moves go to which words. Okay?
First, you face forward and from the stage and you turn left. So wherever you are from the stage, you turn left. And then it goes, just got.
So you're going to start and it goes, just got. Okay? So we're going to break this down real slow. You take your right leg and it goes straight up. And your arms are both up. And one thing that you'll notice through the whole thing is whenever you do a kick or anything, you're going to have your foot flexed. Instead of pointed, this is pointed, this is flexed, just in case you didn't know. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So you go, just got word, and you're gonna drop down and stand up, okay? So when you go up, your arms swing all the way around to your knees, and your leg just pushes right back, and you just hop on your left, okay? So it goes, just got word.
And you dip down.
Yeah, make sure to really get low, okay?
Yeah.
So, got word, and you're going to come together and stand up. That our buddies is hurting. Okay, and then the next part, it goes, facing total disaster for certain. So you're going to go, facing total disaster for certain, okay? So all you do there is you have your right arm over your left, just grab your wrist, and it's straight up, and then you go down to your left side, back up, and you're gonna pull your right leg up and kind of hit it and push it straight back. Your arms come around and catch you as you fall forward. Okay?
And when you fall forward, it's like that, not like this, or like this, or like anything
Make sure,
like that.
'cause-
Make sure it's like that.
Yeah, you want to make sure that you're on balance so that you're not falling. Okay? You gonna go from the beginning?
Yep.
Bouncing, flouncing, falling all around the show.
All right, Macy. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Just got word that our buddies is
hurting.
facing total disaster for certain. Okay, so obviously after you're down here,
You gotta do a
you're
butt roll.
gonna roll. So you just,
Bend your
this
leg.
is easy. Everybody knows how to roll. You just
bend
tuck
your
your
leg.
leg.
But stand.
And when you stand, you don't turn to face forward. You're still facing right, okay? So you roll, facing total disaster for certain. And you come up like this with your right arm over your left, and your hands are in fists. What's the next part?
That's
our
our cue.
Okay. So you're kind of in a lunge position, I guess. And you're just gonna, your arms just swing back and then go right back into the same position. And your legs, you're gonna chasse. And it's basically just a skip backwards. You're just gonna go like that, okay? You wanna explain that a little bit?
It's kind of like a shelf to the back. So when you go, it just kind of flows into it, and you're just replacing your foot.
So the main thing is don't step. It's not a 2-step. It's literally
You're
just a
hopping.
hop back. And your arms go like that,
Same
okay?
place.
So it goes, that's our cue. And then you're gonna bring your arms all the way around. Boys, it's time. And your feet just pivot to this side and your arms go down in the same position. And you go, boys, it's time to go slum in.
And make a pop.
Yeah, you're punching something, because I assume that's something when you do when you're slumming, you know? Okay, so slum in. You wanna go from the beginning?
Mhm.
Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Just got word that our buddies is facing total disaster for certain. That's our cue, boys. It's time to go slumming. Okay?
And then you're going to kind of tilt towards your left and kick up. Twice.
Okay. So
She can explain it better.
So when you're here, you're gonna just take a step on your left it's mainly just to secure your balance, but it's not like you're not like dramatically taking a step. So just shift your weight to your left, and your foot, like I said, is gonna be flexed. So it doesn't really matter what your hands do, because, I don't know. So you're gonna go up, up, and down. And when you come down, your foot should just go to your knee like this. Yeah, because we don't want that, because that looks weird.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's okay if you can't get your foot all the way up there.
Right
Just-
here is just fine.
Yeah. If you can just make sure that it's
Make
a
sure it's
dramatic
kind of a
like
bounce.
pop. Okay, so that goes, it's time to go slum in. Hey, Manhattan. And then you take this foot and you swing it around and step down. Okay, so, I mean, really you're just kind of using your momentum and swinging. And your arms are in the position like you're gonna start running a race. And it says, the cavalry's coming. Okay, so your right arm should be back, so it's opposite arm to leg. So my right leg's forward, so my left hand is forward. And you just go, come in.
And you're tight with it. It's
Yeah.
not like you're actually running.
You're not like,
Come in.
this whole dance needs to be really tight. Because it's a powerful
sharp.
song, you know? Okay, so from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just got word that our buddies is
hurting.
facing total disaster for certain. That's our cue, boys. It's time to go slumming. Hey, Manhattan, the cavalry's coming. Okay? So from there, you should have your right leg still forward, and you're gonna turn to the back and still keep your weight on your right, and your arm should be like this. So pretend like you're holding a beach ball, and then just take this arm out, okay? So no bent elbows, none of that stuff. It's very, I don't know what the word is for that. So you're just gonna go here, and you're gonna turn to this side, and you end with your arms here. No fear. You should be here, and it says, you know we got your back from way back. So just switch your weight on your legs and switch your arms. So have no fear, you know we got your back from way back. And then when you lean back to the right, that's gonna kind of be your prep for your next turn. And you're just gonna go do the same thing you did, but the opposite way. So you go, Brooklyn's here, we'll get your payback with some. So it's kind of the same, but instead of just switching, when you go to the left, you're gonna turn with some pay back, okay?
It's just
So,
a hop. It
yeah.
looks a lot more difficult than it is. You're literally just hopping.
Yeah.
And leaning
But make
back
sure that when you go, the leg that's gonna kick first is your right leg, and your hands go back, pay, and then back. And you kind of swing your arms around. I don't know.
And guys, when you're doing the turn, you're doing the same thing with your arms. I know it's a little girly, but it looks tight.
Yeah. Okay. And that's the end of it. After you go pay, back, then that's pretty much it.